Alright, na-discuss na natin si string. Right now, let's head to car. So to create a variable car, kailangan mo lang i-type si car. And then yung iyong variable name, in this case, single character, for example. So by the way, car has its uses. No, there are instances na kailangan lang na single character talaga. Let's try the double quotation, followed by semicolon. So kahit ano ilagay nyo sa loob, perfectly fine. System.out.println. And then ilagay natin yung ating single character right here and then semicolon. Let's try to run this. Java mycar.java. Oops, pansinin nyo, meron tayong error. Di ba binanggit ko kanina na may gumagamit ng double tsaka single quote? At nabanggit ko din kanina that gumagana siya. Now, mali po iyon. Okay? The reason for that is there are instances sa ibang programming language na gumagana yung double quotation at in this case, hindi. So let us try to change this into a single quote. Then let's try to save again and then let's create a build. Ayun, wala siyang error this time. Then Java my car. And lumabas na si ating Y. So remember, hindi siya gumagana sa Java. I'll be seeing you sa ating next video.